up everyone? So today we're in a place called Palolem in South Goa. A lot of you guys have said that I had to come here because it's one of the best places to come in Goa. We got here yesterday and all I can say is I already agree that it is definitely the best beach that we've seen so far in Goa. I'll be showing it to you in this video. Right now I'll just quickly show you the place that we stay in because it's an awesome location. Probably the best location that we've stayed in Goa or even India so far. So as usual it is just a simple beach hut. We have the mosquito net here and the fan only. And then through here just got the bathroom. So there you go. Now I'm going to show you the best part because look at this view from our room. So as you can see we're right on the beach here. Amazing beach, most beautiful beach we've seen so far. See on the other side as well. That's actually an island over there, there's a separate island. So definitely enjoying the place that we stayed here. You can see the other ones right next to us even have a cool hammock to chill out on. And this was only $16 a night. So $16, even though it's a simple room because of the location. I think that's really cheap. Soon we're probably going to head down there and I'll give you a little tour of the beach because there's so many nice things here to see. You're going to see soon. Now come to our favorite part of the beach, which is the far north side. There is basically this river here, really beautiful river. You can see just amazing mountainous scenery. We didn't really get any mountainous scenery in the north, I don't think, from the beaches, so that's another reason I think here is way more beautiful than the places we visited in the north. And you can probably see there's people over there walking, so we can walk across there and there's some more hidden beaches around there with no people, so we'll probably do that later on. What do you think, Carol?
Yeah, good idea. It's our favorite place so far. It looks like Brazil.
Yeah, it looks like Brazil or maybe even like Koh Tao in Thailand.
Yeah, because of the rocks.
Yeah, the rocks. Anyway, we'll just head further down here to show you the river a bit more. So yesterday, I think it was more shallow, so it was easier to walk across. But we're still gonna go for it. Should still be okay, I think. This is waterproof anyway, so not a problem. The same dog from yesterday. He was our pet dog yesterday, Caramel. Check this out for a hidden beach. There's just one guy here, our pet dog, and nobody else. So amazing find. I guess because of the river, nobody really comes here. But you'll see later on, the tide goes down and you can walk all around here without going through any river at all. It's pretty crazy. Around 2 p.m. you're gonna see completely different. So we're gonna head out now and eat at a cool spot that we ate at yesterday for lunch. You can already see now, before the tide was right next to the Jaws rock, and now it's all the way down there. It's gonna go even lower later on. Yeah, it's kind of crazy how it gets like that. I don't think I've ever been to a beach before that the tide changes so quick. And now that the tide's coming, you can probably see it's left all these little crabs everywhere. They're all running around. Literally just thousands and thousands of crabs. All those little dots there are all crabs. Carol, watch out. Yeah, so now it's a lot easier to head back over the river, and we're gonna head to that shack over there. So this spot here is called Cozy Nook. You can see you got amazing view here right on the beach. Pretty chilled out restaurant as well, look at that. Looks nice and natural. And I'm gonna get the veggie hakka noodles, 200. And what are you getting, Carol?
Tuna pasta.
Carol got the tuna pasta, which is also 250. I think in touristy restaurants, usually that's around the price, right? 200, 300. Still not bad though. Yeah, especially when you're on a beach like this, you'd expect it to be more. We're going to head back to that hidden beach that we were at before. It's not so hidden anymore. Carol's going to be doing some yoga. How much was the yoga?
400
rupees, and I think it's an hour and 50 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Hour and 15 minutes, I mean. And it was actually Carol's birthday yesterday, so yeah, give her a happy birthday in the comment section. I'm not going to be doing any yoga today though. I'm just going to head back into the ocean and yeah, be lazy while she does that. And later on we're probably going to try and go to some cool sunset spot and yeah, hopefully catch a good sunset just like we've been doing every single day in Goa. It's over here?
Yeah, this big one, white color.
Okay.
Yeah. Clean.
No, it's nice.
Yeah.
Is it motor or row?
Row.
Row?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, so we go slowly?
Yeah. Slowly.
Okay, I stay around here. Alright, see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
9, 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the beach.
Okay.
Raju.
Raju.
And
Chris.
Boat. Yeah.
My name's Chris.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the boat, direct seat boat.
So that guy there was the guy that we're gonna do the little river boat tour with tomorrow. I was just walking around and I ended up bumping into him, so he wanted to show me the boat. Yeah, so I'm at the river area now that's dried up, but yeah, just once again, I keep saying it, but this place is just too beautiful right now. That's the guy's boat over there. So we found the cool sunset spot and all these rocks over here. Carol's relaxed from her yoga. How was it?
It was very good. Yeah.
But tiring?
Tiring, yeah, but it was cool. We had a nice view, like this view here.
Yeah, she literally did yoga with the same view that we're getting right now of the sunset. So awesome spot right back there. That's like a resort, has a bar and stuff. So yeah, they also do yoga there, pretty cool. And the part we're at is still at the north, so that is the island. No longer an island, as you can walk there over these rocks. But that was the island you saw before. And there's the awesome view of the sunset. we're just heading back to our room now. I think I'm going to close the video out because we're not going to do much more, just probably have dinner later on, and we're going to go to a store now and try and buy some insect repellent to put in our room, because I can tell we're going to need it. I keep saying in every video, just another awesome day in Goa. And like I said, tomorrow we're going to be doing the boat trip, and we'll probably check out some other beaches around here. There's other beaches, not just Palolem Beach, so yeah, we're going to be doing that. And we did come for 3 days, but we decided we're going to spend 6, so we've extended once again, just like we did in Arambol and Velsau. We keep extending and wanting to spend longer in these places because we're just enjoying it so much. I'll show you quickly what the beach looks like in the late afternoon. So it definitely does get busier, but still extremely nice and relaxing. And there's our little hut over there. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.